All right, folks. So just like how we like to buy when this blue wave is down here given a green dot, right? We called this one out. This is MNST. This is Monster Beverage. This was called out back here last year at this time, February 25th. So in the last year, this thing has gone from 46 all the way up here to 81. So just like how we like to buy down here, okay, when this blue wave is down here given a green dot, we want to sell when it's up here given a red dot. Okay, this was a great trade right here from 45 all the way up here to 63, right? It doesn't happen overnight. These are weekly candles. Each one of these bars is 1 week's worth of time. So that took from February 18th all the way up here to June. So that was like a 4-month hold. Our typical time frame of holding is 1 to 6 months. So again, we're buying down here, okay, and selling up here. So I'm going to give you guys some sell signals here on some of these stocks. The first one is MNST. This thing is so far up right now, okay, it's time to take profits. We want to buy closer to the averages. Okay, that white line on our chart, that's the yearly moving average. Again, we focus on a weekly here, so this is a 50 EMA. So what this line represents is the average price over 50 weeks. There's 52 weeks in a year, okay? So this is the yearly average, okay? Look how far off the average it is, okay? When you come over here and look at the mean, okay, the average, we don't want to buy way up off the average, right? We don't want to buy up off the yearly average price. How we know we're getting a good price is we look at the mean, right? If we're buying it off the mean, off the average, we're getting a premium. If we're buying it at the mean, we're getting a fair price. If we're buying it below the mean, we're getting a discounted price, okay? So keep that in mind. Excuse me. I just want to show you guys some of this other sell signals. So the first one was MNST. The next one is ASML. I believe these guys have to do with chips. But once again, we called this out back here in April of last year, right there at $500. It went all the way up to $1,500. That's a 200% move. Again, big separation off the mean, red dot sell signal. That thing looks like it wants to come down. MSTR, so this one isn't up here, but this one does have a red dot. We actually shorted Bitcoin last week. We're up a lot on our puts. So this one looks like it's breaking structure, right? We lost that 150 support, and now it looks like it's in free fall. So MNST, again, these are just signals. We call all these out in the Discord right over here in the trade alerts section. You guys can see the weeklies, the dailies, the 4 hours. The red dots mean sell, the green dots mean buy. And again, we want to take into consideration where we're at in the move. If it's up here, right, people are very excited. People are very pumped up. That's when we want to sell. We want to sell when it's up off the mean, up off the average. We want to buy when it's at the average or below. A couple other ones here. LMD. This is a insurance company, I think. Baidu. This is a Chinese stock, giving a sell signal here as well. So again, that's probably going to come back down here to around 120.